Hi friends, how are you? Today I will tell my experience of the 25th April and 26th April earthquake. So you all know there was an earthquake on 25th and 26th April in Nepal. So many have lost their lives, children, family members, and all. So here's my experience how I felt the earthquake. So it's a really horrible experience for me now. I've tell the story of the experience of the earthquake. So on 25th April there was an essay writing and handwriting competition in our school, and we are at the top floor, means fourth floor. So the higher we go, the higher is the shakiness. So there was a handwriting competition and essay writing competition. So all were giving the test, and after some time, there wasn't shaky. So I thought that it's my friend was shaking or moving the desk because my friend who sits beside me is very restless. So after that, I thought no, it could be an earthquake. Then I thought that no, it can't be an earthquake. So my teacher told that students, are you feeling a earthquake? Then my friends told, yes sir, I think it's an earthquake. Then sir told, yes, yes, go out of the class. Then it was a fun experience for all of us. The teacher fell down when he was running. So it was a really funny experience. So all the students laughed. And I was packing my bag because it was really horrible, because it was first experience in life of earthquake in school. So I was packing my bag like anything, and I was just running, means running and running, and I have came down from the building. And that time, when I'm coming down, my friend fell down and he has broke his head. So that is another thing. So my friends are so scared that they are crying like anything. And another thing is that the building of the school is cracked in some places. Believe me, it is cracked in some places. So oh my god, that's an horrible experience of 25th April earthquake. And now for the 26th April earthquake. 26th April earthquake was Sunday. Yes, right. It was Sunday, and I was playing games in my laptop. So as I was playing games in my laptop, I felt the bed was moving. Okay, then I rushed to my father, uh, dad, and my dad and mom was talking, chatting with each other, and I rushed to my father. And I've told that, I think it's an earthquake. Then my father told that, no, no, you have, I think it's nothing. You were frightened of earthquake, that's why you were telling all that thing. It can't be an earthquake. Then after that, it started shaking another time, and my father told that yes, it's an earthquake, I think. Then I have rushed down from the stairs, pulling my father, and my mother also, and my grandparents also came down from the staircases, and everything was shaking like anything. And I've cutted my hand. Okay, a small cut, but it was deep. So that was an experience of 25th and 26th April earthquake. Hope you enjoyed, friends. So please, if you enjoyed, friends, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to give me like. So if you don't like, friends, so you are free to give dislikes. So friends, if you like it, so please don't forget to give me like. So friends, have a good day and enjoy, and don't be frightened of earthquakes like me. So friends, have a good day and enjoy.